Hi students, today we have to see division of polynomial. So we have to divide first polynomial by second polynomial and we have to write the answer in the form of dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So now here in this example we have dividend is equal to x cube minus 64, divisor is equal to x minus 4. So this x cube minus 64 I can write in the decreasing order of index x cube. Now if we observe the index of this 3 is there. Now index 2 term is not here, so I can write plus 0 x square. Then afterwards there is no term having index 1, so I can take x raised to 1 or 0x, and last one is minus 64. This is the standard form or general form. Now here I have written this x cube minus 64 in this form. This is the dividend, and divisor is x minus 4. I have written as it is. So now we have to see division. So first you have to observe this first term x cube. We have to divide by the first term, that is x. So I can write here x cube upon x. So the division will be x cube means, if you don't know, you can write x cube means 3 times upon x. X will get cancelled. You will get x into x means you will get x square, means the division will be x square. So here I will write direct x cube divided by x, that will be x square. Or we can think in this way, the index 3 here 1, so a raised to m divided by a raised to n, a raised to m minus n means 3 minus 1, it will be 2. So this x square we got, I can write x square here. So you have to multiply x square into x minus 4. So I can write here x square into x minus 4. So the answer is, so x square into x, so it is x cube, and x square into minus 4, it will be minus 4x square. So same I will copy and I will write here x cube minus 4x square. Now next step is subtraction. So I will subtract this. So if you observe this, here it is plus, after subtraction it will be minus, it is minus, after subtraction it will be plus. So you will find always this term will cancel. First minus x cube plus x cube cancel. So now you can write here 0x square plus 4x square, the addition is 4x square. Now you can copy next terms as it is. So I can write plus 0x minus 64. Now here we have to, how we did here division, same way you have to divide here. Means I will take 4x square upon, means this first term divided by this first term, means first term of dividend divided by first term of divisor. So if you know it, I can write 4 into x upon x, x will get cancelled, you will get answer 4x. So I will write here the answer. If you know, you can write direct 4x. Some students will do like this way also, 1x will get cancelled, here 4x. So I can write 4x immediately here. 4x means it is plus 4x. So you have to multiply by 4x into x minus 4. So it will be 4x square minus 4x square. So here you can write 4x square minus 16x. Here the multiplication is 16x. Check it again. 4x into x, 4x square, minus 4x into 4, 4 for the 16x. So I can write this, copy all and down, write down. So I can write 4x square minus 16x. Now we have to subtract. So you know subtract means we'll change sign here. This is plus 4x square, it become minus 16x, it will become plus 4x square minus 4x square cancel. Now you have to write the addition. Here plus 0x plus 16x means 0x plus 16x, addition is 16x minus 64, you take it down. Now again same. Here first term is 16x, here first term is x. So index is 1, index is 1. So here it was index 3 and here the index was 2. So here index is 1. So you have to continue this division because here index 3 you can divide, because this dividend index, first term of dividend index is greater than the index of divisor. Here similarly 2 is greater than 1. So you have to continue division. Here 1 means equal, you have to continue. You have to continue division. So 16x first term of dividend and first term of divisor is x. You have to focus on first term. So 16x divided by x. So the answer is 16. Plus 16 I can write here immediately. You have to multiply 16 into x minus 4. So I can multiply here 16 into x minus 4. 16 into x, it is 16x minus 16 into 4, 64. So I can write here down 16x minus 64. So now subtraction. Subtract means you have to change the sign. So I will change the sign. Plus 16x become minus 64 become plus. So if you observe, plus 16x minus 16x 0, minus 64 plus 64 0, means 0 plus 0 addition is always 0. So the remainder here it is 0. So now you have to write the equation in the given format. Dividend. So here dividend is equal to, means shortly I can write this. So x cube minus 64 is equal to divisor. So divisor is, here divisor is, means by which number we have divided, x minus 4. So x minus 4 into the dividend, quotient is here, quotient is x square plus 4x plus 16 plus remainder is here. So I can write 0. Check it again. So here this is the dividend I have written here, because it is x cube minus 64 we wrote here in the standard form by decreasing order of indices. So same I have taken x cube minus 64. Dividend is equal to divisor. By this number we have divided, by this polynomial we have divided, I wrote as it is, into quotient, this is the quotient, plus remainder is 0. So this is the example. In next video we are going to see next example in next video. That